Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a property in Notion. The first thing to do is to launch Notion in your web browser and sign in. Then open the page with the database where you want to add a property. So I'm going to open up a database page, which is here, Notion, Tax, and Project Manager. It contains databases that are here. So hover over to the database and you're going to see the three dots menu at the top right corner of the database view or directly on the database title. And once you click on that three dots icon, you're going to see a property tab here. So you see board layout, properties, filter, all the way down to delete board. Go ahead and click on properties, and once you click on that, scroll the way down and click on this plus icon that says new property. Now in this property, you can choose a property type which includes text, number, select, multi-select, status, date, person, files and media, checkbox, URL, email, and phone. So just go ahead and enter a property. So my property could be a person and I can name that. So enter a name of the property. This could be person. Now, depending on the type selected, configure additional settings. So if you use select or multi-select, you can add options or you can add tags. And then if you use date, you can set date related options. If you use number, you can define number formats in units. And if you use person, I can just leave that as a person and click out. So how do I know that my property has been added? All I need to do is to just head over to the three dots menu again and click on properties, and you see that person has been shown already. So you can now use this new property to add data to your database entries. So head over to any of the database entry and click on new and click on add person. And once you click on add person, you will now be able to search for a person. So here is Amanda Max. So I can now add this person, or you can click on invite people to add more people to this data entry. That's if you want to assign tags. This is amazing, or this is perfect if you want to assign tags to people. So that's pretty much the process. Now choose the property type that best fit the kind of data you need to track, and Notion allows for extensive customization of properties, so tailor them to suit your needs. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.